It's good. New or old, your home's foundation can be impacted by the soils that hold it up. So if you have a newer home, let's say within the last year, 6 months even, and the grading wasn't done properly, or if you have a really wet cycle before it was built, you may experience some foundation issues, heaving, some settling, different things like that nature. It all depends on the grading. Grading is going to impact the movement of your home so much. So if the grading's not done properly, or if it's not over excavated properly, then more likely than not, you're going to have an issue with your foundation, whether it be 6 months down the road or 60 years down the road. It all depends on how well those soils were taken care of at the time the home was built.